Welcome to Windsor Tower Sukhumvit 20, one of Bangkok's best-known addresses for large family residences. Located between Asoke and Phrom Phong, this established condominium offers rare space, pet-friendly living, and exceptional CBD convenience. One of the property's greatest strengths is its expansive layout. Unlike most modern condominiums, every room here is generously proportioned, creating a sense of openness that is increasingly difficult to find in today's market. The residence features 3 large bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, providing privacy and flexibility for families, multi-generational living, or those who frequently host guests. The living and dining areas are designed for comfortable everyday living, as well as entertaining. Large windows and multiple balconies bring abundant natural light into the home, while creating excellent airflow throughout the residence. In total, the property offers 4 balconies, allowing residents to enjoy outdoor space from different parts of the apartment and take advantage of panoramic city views. The separate kitchen is designed for practical family living and offers ample workspace, extensive storage, and the rare ability to cook with gas, a feature highly valued by many homeowners in Bangkok. Additional functionality comes from the dedicated Maid's quarter and service area, helping to keep daily household operations organized and discreet. As part of Windsor Tower, residents benefit from a fully pet-friendly environment, making this an ideal choice for animal lovers seeking a spacious home in the city centre. Completed in 1996, Windsor Tower remains one of Bangkok's most distinctive residential buildings, known for offering some of the largest condominium units available in the central business district.
The location provides convenient access to BTS Asoke, BTS Phrom Phong, MRT Sukhumvit, Terminal 21, M Quartier, Emporium, Benjikiti Park, international schools, hospitals, and a wide range of restaurants and lifestyle destinations. Foreign freehold ownership is available, making this property particularly attractive to international buyers and long-term investors. With its exceptional size, practical family-oriented layout, 4 balconies, pet-friendly lifestyle, and prime Sukhumvit location, this residence represents a rare opportunity to acquire a truly spacious home in the heart of Bangkok. For more information or to arrange a private viewing, please contact CondoDee Realty. See the contact details on the screen, as usual. Why does this property make sense? The asking price for this residence was recently reduced from 32 million baht to just 30 million baht, creating a compelling opportunity for buyers seeking space in Bangkok's CBD. At 305 square meters, the unit is offered at approximately 98,000 baht per square meter, a figure that is difficult to replicate in the Asoke and Phrom Phong area. Many newer developments in the neighbourhood are priced at 2 to 4 times that level on a per square metre basis, while offering significantly less living space. For the price of a much smaller luxury condominium, buyers receive a true family-sized residence with 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4 balconies, a separate kitchen, a maid's quarter, and pet-friendly living. The property also benefits from foreign freehold ownership availability, making it accessible to both Thai and international buyers. For purchasers who prioritise space, practicality, and location over brand new construction, this residence represents exceptional value in one of Bangkok's most established and desirable neighbourhoods. If you enjoyed this property tour, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. It's the best way to stay updated on Bangkok properties that truly make sense, whether you're looking for a home, an investment, or your next opportunity in the city.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next CondoDee property tour.